Hi friends, welcome to JashwinTV. Let's learn alphabets. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. G for goat. H for head. I for igloo. J for jelly. K for kite. L for lion. M for monkey. N for nest. O for octopus. P for pig. Q for queen. R for rabbit. S for sun. T for tiger. U for umbrella. V for violin. W for whale. X for xylophone. Y for yo-yo. Z for zebra. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe JashwinTV.